Morning viewers, welcome back to energy upgrades in the house, or the energy grant. These are the insulated boards that are going to be fitted to the inside of the external facing walls. So these are 50mm insulation with the plasterboard attached, and there's some thinner boards as well. These are 25mm. I think I'm going to fit the thinner ones on the window recesses so they don't stick out too much. So yesterday they've drilled out 3 holes for ventilation, 2 in the bathrooms and one, this one's the kitchen one. It's nearly 5 inches in diameter. They've just put some rock wool in there to stop the wind blowing through overnight, so that's going to have a vent fitted on there. Luckily they have fitted that in there because it's pretty cold in the house now. We haven't had heating for 3 days. And it's, well, 2 degrees this morning, but that's not on their part. We did remove the water tank from the attic for another reason, and what they had planned to do was they removed 2 radiators, and then they were going to switch the heating back on without those 2 while they worked on the first rooms, but as it goes we haven't got any heating anyway. They've also drilled through a few holes on most of the double glazed windows for vents to let moisture out of the rooms with those as well. I'll show you on the inside in a minute. So there's a bit of condensation on both sides of this window today because it's quite a cold morning. But that's the inside of the vent. It's just got a flap there that you can open and close. You can also put these windows on the latches if you open them out slightly, but it just saves you opening the window. They've sheeted over the carpets to protect them, so that's good. In this house actually it was 1 bathroom, kitchen, and this is going to be the living room. So because we're having a wood stove in here, they've put a vent hole ready for this room, and then the other bathroom's going to have a ceiling vent. So this is the other living room wall, looking rather scruffy at the moment because, as I said in the last video, we ripped off all the existing boards that they fitted on, which didn't have insulation behind them, and this is going to be the wall where we have the wood stove fitted. So they've already done a bit of, well, the wood stove company now have done a bit of prep work. As I was saying, these walls are nearly 2 foot thick, so there's no chimney breast in the room, it's in the external wall. So I should probably do a separate video on this. They drilled a few holes in to find the cavity. There's actually 3 chimney cavities going up this wall. You can just see the vent there at the bottom. It's been blocked off the original fireplace. There would have been an open fire there. And also there was an upstairs open fire in the 2 bedrooms upstairs. 1 bedroom above here. So I don't know why there's 3 cavities going up. I would have thought there'd be 2, but that's a mystery to me anyway. So we're just trying to coordinate between the insulation team and the wood stove people, and as you expect, you know, one says they want something finished before the other one, but what's going to happen is I think this wall is going to be boarded with the insulation boards at least, so we can get the right measurements for fitting the hearth and the fire in front of. But they're gonna have to core a big hole through there for the chimney flue. So it was mainly the vents yesterday and some preparation work. They had an electrician come out and they've just extended the wiring, because obviously where your sockets are on the wall, they need to come out to allow for the extra insulation, and the wiring in this house isn't that great, but they're going to make use of what's here. And the plumber removed 2 of the radiators, but I think they're just packing up now, so I'll do you an update video after today.